Hi guys, it's Jen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing the unboxing for the Chanel Eau Coin purse. Okay, so let's get started. I picked this up at the Ala Moana Mall in Hawaii. And they sure do have a huge selection at that mall. Before I move on, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So this is just the sales receipt that I'm showing you guys. And here's the beautiful box. And just quickly guys, just wanted to mention and show you guys the napkin with the Chanel logo. I think it's so cool. And here's the box, beautifully wrapped with a signature camellia flower and Chanel ribbon. So let's unwrap this. Alright, so this is the dust bag and it's beautiful and I think it's very luxe. And these are just the care instructions. There are two small booklets and it just comes in different languages. So their dust bag is beautiful and they have the Chanel logo in the front. It feels nice to the touch. And finally, here's the Chanel Eau Coin purse in caviar leather. And there's a small leather zip pull with wraparound gold zipper. And this has a gold hardware and a gold ZZ logo in the front. And this comes with a quintessential Chanel diamond quilted design in the front and the back. And this measures at 4.25 inches in length, about 3 inches in height, and 1 inch in width. And in the back, there is a small pocket wherein you can put a credit card, an ID, or some small bills. The zipper opens to a beige fabric interior that has 3 partition compartments wherein you can put credit cards, bills, IDs, and it's pretty roomy. And you can fill it in as much as you want, but I don't think you'd want to overpack it. You don't want to ruin the structure of the wallet or the small card holder. So here's the certificate of authenticity. And behind it, you'll see the serial number. And inside the card holder, you'll see the Chanel logo. Right here, it's just starting to focus right now. Okay, you can see it. There's a Chanel logo, and I think it says Made in Spain. And opposite that side, you'll see the Chanel serial number. Right there. It's hard to see, but that is the serial number. As you can see, I opted to get this in the beige color because I think it's one of Chanel's classic color. It's just so beautiful and so lovely. Another classic color of Chanel's, of course, is the black. I actually have one of their classic small flap wallet, and I did a review on that, so I'm just gonna put a link on it if you guys are interested in watching that video. So go ahead and click on it and watch it. So that's about it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching my video. If you guys have any questions or any comments, just leave them down below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, turn on the notification bell, and that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, stay safe, be healthy. Till next time, guys, stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.